Last video I made, I posted I talked about how to verify your TikTok business. That's for someone that's been trying to convert from a TikTok personal account to TikTok business account. The documents that you needed and all that thing. So I received this about some few hours ago. Congratulations, your application is approved. So which means that this was successful. So as you can see, I used my business name. So these are my so I used my CS certificate. The, also the two other information that followed it. So this is my CS certificate. These two information, these two screenshots were documents I received when I was trying to register my business and CAC. For someone that is using a limited liability company, we use your limited liability company certificate and we also use what we refer to as MEMRAN. So like I can remember the first time I tried to, uh, the first time I tried to submit this, my CAC certificate. I used only CAC certificate, it, but it was not successful. So it was rejected. So I had to ask myself why was it rejected? Then so the first time I submitted my CC certificate, it was rejected. They said, "We are sorry for the confusion. We found some missing requirements in your business registration application that are causing an error." So which means that I used only my CC certificate and it was rejected. And so I had to go and submit this information. This registration number serves the as the ID license ID number. Okay. Then I used also my let me say then I used this CSC business report. These were the two documents that I submitted. So these are the two documents I submitted. I made three documents. So before it got accepted. So these were two documents that I submitted. This thing before it got accepted. So if you're someone that's using your limited liability company, uh, you can use it also use member certificate also. So once you submit those three, should be successful and your account should be converted in once you use the three, it should be successful, your account should be verified. Because without this verification, all accounts will be converted directly to personal accounts, and without it, you cannot set up your account. So, in this now, I've been able to set up account on this platform because uh, my verification has been approved. So, this is my other account from my admin. So, I can be able to set up as if I'm able to fund this and to proceed. So, that's it.